Hi, it's Ben here of Cut Motorcycles. A quick walk around video of our Moto Guzzi V7 Racer. So it's a 2012 bike, 4,000 miles. It's got service history, there's 2 stamps in the book, and it'll go out with a new oil and filter service and a full MOT. It's pretty much immaculate. There's not really a mark on it. Comes with the single seat, but also comes with a double seat, and it comes with the original exhausts. It's currently got the Arrow special parts for Moto Guzzi end cans. Yeah, no real marks, no corrosion. Fire it up. There it is. Any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout.